Hi, today I'm going to talk about proprietorship. What is a proprietorship concern? Proprietorship is single individual ownership business. That is one individual wholly responsible for total losses, total profits. He enjoys the business as a single owner, no partner and no one except him to decide where the business is going. Then why everyone does not go for a proprietorship concern? Because it is a unlimited liability. Suppose you register a business today, you suffered a loss and the loss amounted to 1 lakh, whereas your business assets are worth only 40,000. Then banks, creditors can proceed against your personal assets. They can attach your personal assets to recover that 60,000. That is one drawback. But proprietorship is very simple to operate, no tax hassles, no tedious complications, and very easy to operate. Does my business get registered under proprietorship concern? There is nothing called as proprietorship act. A proprietor can register under various authorities, like he can register under sales tax, he can register under service tax, he can register under labor license, he can register under trade license of GHMC, and so many registrations as a solo proprietor giving some business name like XYZ Enterprises, and that business gets registered. But can another person also register the same business? Yes, unless as a proprietor I have done the trademark, any other person can also register with the same name, because there is nothing called as proprietorship act. So where this person is getting, he is thinking of some name, going to a registering authority and say sales tax authority or labor license, and getting the name registered, opening a bank account. There is no separate PAN card issued for a proprietor, and he is just starting a business, and he will be filing the returns as a individual, not on a business name. But he can have various businesses with XYZ Enterprises, ABC Corporation, so many names he can start it, and he can do the business but file only one return, as his own PAN card will be in use, and whatever laws applicable to the individual, those laws only will apply. There are no separate laws for his business, unlike partnership, which is charged at 30%, private limited, all those things are a separate issue. But here, since PAN card is not issued, there is no differentiation between the owner of the business and the business. It is one and the same. Though he may start number of companies with different names, he will be the owner of all those things, and all those incomes coming from various businesses will be clubbed in his hand, and he will be filing one return. Will I get a separate PAN card under proprietorship? No. Will I have a limited liability provision? No. Then why should I go for proprietorship? Because if you are a startup, you want to experiment whether the business goes on well or not, just do proprietorship, because it is simple to close down and there are no tax hassles. Can my business registration be verified online? See, once it is a private limited or a limited liability partnership, your data is available online for verification, but proprietorship has very limited scope, and if you have registered for service tax or sales tax, there is a limited scope to verify your credentials once you provide to the authority to verify it. And a lot of organizations does not recognize proprietorship for various purposes, like if you're traveling abroad, the embassy people or the visa issuing authorities, they cannot verify your registration status as well. So many issues are there, but still it is advisable in the initial stage, in the beginning stage, since there are no tax hassles, there are no tax complications, and it is very simple to operate, but it has limited area. Suppose you want to start a branch office in Bangalore, Delhi, at n number of places, then you need to obtain the registrations at those number of places to operate as a proprietor, because proprietor is now getting registered only with the state government authorities. Central government will come into picture only if he is taking some registration affiliated registration under central government, like import export license or any other type of registration. Otherwise it is a registration under local authorities of the state. Thank you.